Okay, this take is for Kingsport Street, which is section 3. It's the most south section on the other side of the bayou. We started doing both lanes here, but work stopped. So we only have partial base replacement. When work resume, we have to do the other lane. So this is where work was stopped. So we are facing westbound lane, full depth repair, Kingsport Street. Full depth. Looks pretty good, solid. Low traffic lane, low traffic street. Okay, go to replace at inlets. Go to replace the inlet on intersection. Eastbound lane pending repair. Full depth replace pending when work resume. So we're walking westbound lane, full depth until we get to Petrel Court or Petrel Cul-de-sac. So I'm running low on battery, so I might lose you guys. But this pretty much wraps it up. So I'm trying to hurry. Here we go from 12 feet to 7 feet, partial repair as identified and authorized by EOR in the field. Coming up to Petrel Cul-de-sac. Petrel Court due north. Full depth repair, gutter replacement at inlet. Northbound lane, full depth repaired. Southbound lane pending. A little bit of water here, existing gutter. Gutter replace. Partial driveway replace to accommodate gutter for drainage. Full depth repair, holding. Full driveway replace with gutter for drainage or EOR markings. Southbound lane pending. At the end, I think we have both lanes here, which we do. And then we're only going to surface the cul-de-sac with the 7-foot mill edge at gutter. All right, guys, so this is a wrap. This is the status of Newport subdivision subgrade status on May 25th. Thank you for watching.